Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix File Explorer crashing constantly on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your File Explorer keeps freezing, crashing, restarting automatically, or not responding, then this video will help you fix the problem step by step. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is reset the File Explorer settings. Click on the search icon and type Control Panel, then open it. Once the control panel opens, make sure the View By option is set to large icons. If it is set to category or small icons, simply change it to large icons. Now click on File Explorer options. Inside File Explorer options, if it is already set to Home or this PC, don't change anything. Simply click on Restore Defaults, then click on Apply, and finally click on OK. After doing this, we are going to repair Windows system files because corrupted files are one of the biggest reasons behind File Explorer crashing problems. Again, click on the search icon and type keymemd. Now right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if you see the User Account Control window. Once Command Prompt opens, we need to run some important commands one by one. The first command is sfc/scannow. Type the command exactly like this and press Enter. This command will scan your system for corrupted files and automatically repair them. The process may take around 5 to 10 minutes, so please wait until it is completed. Once the scan is finished, run the second command, DISM online cleanup image/ScanHealth. Press Enter again and let the scan complete. This command checks your Windows image for problems. After that, run the final command, DSM online /cleanup image/RestoreHealth. This command repairs damaged Windows files and fixes system issues that may be causing File Explorer to crash continuously. These three commands are very important, so make sure you run all of them one by one without skipping anything. Once all the commands are completed, restart your computer. After restarting, your File Explorer crashing or freezing problem should be fixed. Now, let me show you one more bonus fix that works instantly for many users. Open File Explorer. Then right-click on the Start button and open Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, look for Windows Explorer in the list. Once you find it, right-click on it and click on Restart. This will refresh File Explorer and can quickly fix freezing or crashing issues. So yes, guys, these are the best methods to fix Windows 10 and Windows 11 File Explorer crashing constantly. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, comment below and let me know which method worked for you. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.